everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making pepperoni pizza rolls, and this is what you're going to need. Rayo's homemade marinara sauce, Italian seasoning, self-rising flour, got mozzarella cheese, turkey pepperoni, Parmesan cheese, fresh basil, fresh garlic, and Greek yogurt. Now we're going to mix the dough. And wanted to let you know, this is only the second time I've used this dough hook. And the first time was when I practiced this recipe. I've had it a long time. I'm glad I'm finally using it, and I hope to use it more in the future. So I don't know that much about making bread. So this is the dough part. And we have our Greek yogurt, and I recommend the Stonyfield organic Greek yogurt. It's very good. And we have a cup of that going in, and then we're going to add our flour, which is 1 3/4 cup. Now you could mix this by hand, but since I have the dough hook, I want to use it. Okay, we'll lock it in place, turn it down low. Take a few minutes. Of course, we'll have to scrape down the sides. Now, if yours is too dry, you can add some water. Of course, all this information will be in the description box, including quantities. It's almost ready. I still have some flour on the bottom. Trying to reach it. There we go. Now I'm going to lightly flour my surface, and we're going to roll out the dough. But it's looking pretty good. Getting my basil ready. I've washed these. Going to roll this up. This is going to be for topping at the end. Because we don't want them to stick. So probably like that. Because as you roll it, okay. And I forgot, I have one more thing to chop. And that's going to be our turkey pepperoni. So I want to chop them, which the original recipe doesn't call for that, but I like the idea of smaller pieces. All right, that's ready to go. So now we're going to put that, spread that around. Okay, maybe I have the perfect amount, which was probably about 1/3 of the bag. Oh. There we go, how's that? Next I'm going to add 2 cheeses. I have Parmesan cheese that's been shredded. Spread that around. Now I'm going to use this again at the end. And next, shredded mozzarella. Just one glass in, you're already on my mind when it gets late. I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking? I have now my seasonings. So I have some fresh garlic. I'm going to grate that over the top. can use 1 to 2 fresh cloves of garlic. I'm just using this one because it was so large. And now I'm using Italian seasoning. So in case you didn't know, when you're using dry herbs, if you put some in your hand, rub them together, this just kind of wakes them up, and then you can spread them around. Might need a little bit more. Whoops, maybe not that much more. And last, I have a little bit of fresh basil. I'm going to save some of that for at the end, but right now I'm going to use a little bit for the filling. If you don't want to use basil, you could use parsley. Okay, so I have all my ingredients added. Move these aside, and we're going to start rolling it up. Like I said, my goal is to get 12. We'll see how that goes. All right, then you're going to turn it so it's facing up, because you'll have to use from where I rolled it up. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little more cheese. Okay, a little bit of basil. Into the oven for 15 minutes. Pepperoni pizza bites. It only took us 4 times to get this video done.
But very good for mistakes.
Yeah, we got to eat a lot of pepperoni pizza bites.
We have some crushed red pepper flakes here, some red chili pepper flakes.
That's optional. So for Mark, that's not for me.
A little
extra sauce.
extra sauce.
Or you could dip it in it. Like I'm gonna cut mine.
Yeah, we could do that.
I'm gonna cut mine.
You're gonna cut yours?
I'm gonna cut mine.
Okay.
You want me to cut yours?
No.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, hang on. All right, now I'm ready.
Okay.
Ready? Cheers. Wait.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Look at that. I got a little pepperoni on the outside.
Mmm. Mmm. Little steam still coming off.
Okay, these are the best yet.
Really good. I
Wow.
like them. So you can make adjustments to the recipe to the way you like it. I like the marinara sauce. I like the dipping. Rolling out dough. I need a little work on that, but that's okay.
They're delicious.
What matters is how they taste. Yes.
And from scratch, too.
And from scratch, yeah. And I don't usually make dough, so this is new for me. I'm working into it slowly.
Well, thanks, Bridgetta.
You're welcome. So, of course, the recipe will be in the description box. We want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're giving it a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.
You're already on my mind when it gets late. I always realize show all my feelings. Are you thinking about me too tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight.